All right, once again, we are back out here at the 2007 Honda Pilot. Now, done a few things over through the years, fixing things and whatnot, and I think we have a leaking radiator. So I pulled this out, just the bottom, I don't know what you call this, the bottom thingamajig here. I have no idea, actually. Just helps protect anything from coming up with the engine and whatnot. As you can tell, right there we got some leaking antifreeze right there on the left side. And also we found some on the ground over here. So we know we got something going on. So I pulled that off. Now these Hondas have these pain in the butt little plastic screws, whatever you want to call them. They are pain in the butt. Up here on the top, I pulled this off and there was quite a few of them right there. This is all in preparation of putting a new radiator in. I don't think you necessarily need to take this off, but I did. But you'll end up taking the whole front bumper and it will show everything behind there, the condenser, the radiator, make it a little bit easier. Underneath, some of these other little plastic screw things had to take off. There's quite a few. Once in, I can see more fluid just kind of everywhere up in here and down. If we can see it, but there's some up on the lines. I'm trying to see if I can see at least the bottom of the radiator. Maybe I can't, but we'll see that. But so we got some problems. So we're gonna end up taking that off, taking this all off, and diving a little bit more into it. I don't know if I can see it. No, but I'm not sure if you can see it down there, but apparently, oh, there's some stuff. Oh. Wow, I wish you could see it in between, maybe. Nope. I can see, there you can see that big chunk down there, the antifreeze. So apparently these radiators are known to go bad towards the bottom of the radiator, just because of how it was designed, I guess. I don't know, it has something to do with the materials and whatnot, but I guess we've been pretty lucky. This now has over 220,000 miles. If you've been on the channel, I've done the alternator, a lot of check engine lights, the fluids, things like that. So this will probably be one of the bigger fix that we'll be doing here. So it should be fun. I'm just looking at getting a new radiator from one of the auto stores here in town, and take hopefully a few hours or whatnot, and we'll get this thing fixed. So stay tuned for more.